Hello, I'm Robin Foster. I love the Research Wiki. In Let the Research Be Your Guide, we'll cover how to use FamilySearch's Research Wiki. First, go to FamilySearch.org. To get to the Research Wiki, look to the left of your screen. You see Family Search, Family Tree, the next one is Search. Where it says number 1, click Search. A menu comes up, and all the way at the bottom there is the Research Wiki. Select that one. This is what the Research Wiki looks like. Look for 2 search boxes. One is right in the center above the list of localities. Let's talk about how you search the Research Wiki. I'm just going to focus on 2 things first. The place where your ancestor lived is 1. In the U.S., you want to give the county or parish and state. Sometimes, for example, in Virginia, there is an independent city, like Richmond, Virginia. Then you would enter Richmond, Virginia. No matter where you are researching in the world, you want the smaller location, not the country at first. Okay? The second way you can search is by putting in your topic: naturalization, 1950 census, newspapers, Native American, American Revolutionary War. Let's go to Anson County, North Carolina first. Put into the search field Anson County, North Carolina. Select Anson County, North Carolina genealogy. You'll be taken to a whole page of resources. For example, you have the parent county, which is Bladen County. Down the left side of the page, you can see the contents, and they run down the whole page. For example, court records, church records, military records, naturalization, newspaper, probate, Social Security, birth, marriage, and death are all fully accessible to you. We'll go to Orleans Parish, Louisiana. I put in Orleans Parish, Louisiana in the search field. I find Orleans Parish, Louisiana genealogy. Click on that one. It takes us to Orleans Parish, Louisiana. I've only shown you part of the page. Let's go to Essex, England. For Essex, England, only put Essex, England. Do not put the county like we did in the United States. You are taken to Essex, England. Now let's try topics. We'll go to United States newspapers. Put United States newspapers in the search field. We're taken there right away. On this page, you'll find most of the newspapers you search for ancestors. Let's go to United States Civil War. That's popular. Put United States Civil War in the search field. We are directly taken to the United States Civil War. Let's try United States Census 1920. We search for United States Census 1920. We pick United States Census 1920. This is the United States Census 1920. Now, there's one thing I want to show you it's how on this census you can find out the year of immigration and naturalization. With the information about naturalization, you can look up United States naturalization and citizenship. Put United States naturalization and citizenship in the search field. You get the page United States naturalization and citizenship. You can learn about naturalization and be led to the sites for finding your ancestor. Let's look to see African American genealogy. Put in the search field African American genealogy. You are taken to this page. Suppose you want to learn about Tennessee. Well, you just click on Tennessee. You are taken to African American Resources for Tennessee. I made the bigger the box of contents. A couple of resources that are popular are Freedmen's Bureau with labor contracts and slavery records. Most African Americans use enslavement, but you have to know the terminology to use to find the records. Thank you for joining me for this episode on the Research Wiki. Here's my latest book, My Best Genealogy Tips, Finding Formerly Enslaved Ancestors. Get your copy at Amazon.